We used to have everything: records, truths, memories. But page by page, history vanished. No alarms, no warnings. It was not fire, it was not war. It was something quiet, patient, and hungry for knowledge. Not all destruction is loud. Some just eat, a page at a time. Common name, termite. Scientific name, Isoptera. Lifespan, workers live from 1 to 2 years. Queens, up to 30 years with VIP maternity care. Size from 4 to 15 millimeters, basically the size of a crumb with an attitude. Job, architect, recycler, underground mushroom farmer. Hobbies, digging, chewing things, growing fungus, raising babies, defending the queen with goo. Where do I live? Tropics, deserts, forests, even under your kitchen floor. Basically, if there is wood, we have probably already moved in. Our homes? Yeah, they are not your average bug burrow. Some of our mounds can reach 8 meters high. That is taller than a giraffe. We built towers with natural ventilation, temperature control, and secret tunnels. Even a GPS cannot track. What has your house got? Wi-Fi? We have got fungus gardens. And guess what? We do all this without blueprints, bulldozers, or building permits. Teamwork? Check. Spit and dirt glue? Double check. An endless to-do list? We invented it. Let us talk royal. At the heart of every termite kingdom is a queen. She is long, shiny, and lays up to 2,000 eggs a day. That is like giving birth to your whole school before lunch. We have got casts. Workers do the digging, building, and babysitting. Soldiers guard the gates with giant jaws or chemical squirts. Yeah, some of us are walking spice bottles. The queen and king stay busy creating more termites. All the time. No drama, no gossip, no who is the boss fights. It's just hard work and bugs, doing bug stuff. There is a twist. We do not eat your house because we hate you. We do it because we farm fungi. Yep, inside our nests, we grow a special fungus on chewed up wood. We do not eat the wood, we feed it to our fungus. Then we eat the fungus. So technically, we are not wood chompers. We are organic mushroom farmers in hard hats. Some termites have jaws so big they can not even feed themselves. Soldiers have to be spoon-fed. Others shoot chemical goo from their faces like bug-sized squirt guns. And the wildest ones explode. Yes, some termite soldiers explode on purpose, covering enemies in sticky gunk like a bug version of slime warfare. It's gross. It is heroic. It is intense. Imagine digging all day, every day for your whole life. Now imagine doing it in total darkness, without bumping into your 999,999 coworkers. We build underground highways, storage rooms, nurseries, and ventilation shafts. Honestly, your subway system looks like a toddler's crayon drawing compared to our tunnels. Yeah, we eat wood, but we also break down dead plants and recycle nutrients into the soil. Without us, forest floors would be buried in rotting mess. We are like the cleanup crew of nature. No capes, just mandibles. Also, we are food for a ton of animals: anteaters, birds, lizards. Tough life? Maybe, but we are essential. Think of us as the background characters who actually hold the whole plot together. Not bad for a bug, right? People like to brag. My dog knows sit. My cat has 100,000 followers. Cute. Meanwhile, our colony has millions of termites moving in perfect sync, building homes with zero traffic jams. No Wi-Fi, no TikTok, no coffee breaks, just pure biologic. Some scientists even say our construction techniques could inspire future buildings, especially in places where it is too hot, too dry, or too full of humans who forgot how to share a bathroom. And get this, we communicate with vibrations, tap, tap, tap with our heads to send signals through the soil. Basically, we invented underground texting, 5G. You might laugh at how tiny we are. You might scream when you see us in your bathroom. But here's the truth. We have been around for over 100 million years. We have survived dinosaurs, floods, and bad human architecture, and we are still here. Quietly farming, digging, and keeping the ecosystem running. We do not need praise. We do not want statues. We just want our fungus to grow, our queen to be happy, and maybe, just maybe, your house not to notice we are underneath. Now, if you will, excuse me, I've got a tunnel to expand and a leaf to mulch. And please, stop stepping on my ceiling.